Allah, most gracious and most merciful. Aisha reported, a woman asked the Apostle of Allah, peace be upon him, how to wash herself after menstruation. She mentioned that he taught her law, how to take bath, and then told her to take a piece of cotton with musk and purify herself. She said, how should I purify myself with that? He, the Holy Prophet, said, praise be to Allah, purify yourself with it, and covered his face. Sufyan bin Yohanna gave a demonstration by covering his face as the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, had done. Aisha reported,